Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm at the skate park, and I'm going to be showing you how to redial your scooter. So, I got my scooter here. Sounds pretty undialed. So I'm going to dial it. What you're going to want is these Allen keys to unbolt this, and there's another one inside of here, and I'll show you. For inches, for me, I use the 7/32 inches and the 3/16 inches. So you're going to want to use a bigger one. Get these big bolts out. They're not out, but you just want to loosen them. Then you're going to want to pick your scooter up and pull. That should bring your handlebars off. Then you see this bolt. It's probably really loose. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab a smaller one. We're going to tighten this. You don't want it too tight, otherwise your wheel won't turn. You just want to have it to the point where it just rotates on it. Now for me that's too tight, but I had to replace the bearings in here, so they're not exactly fit for this. So I'm just going to have it a little looser and all the way tight. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab your handlebars and refit them onto this. That's what you want to do. Make sure it's all the way down, and then rescrew these really tight, because you don't want your handlebars coming off while you're riding the scooter. At all. Because that would not be good. So what I do is I tighten one and then make sure the wheel's straight. Like that, and then I go back, and then I go back and I tighten back the other one. Make sure it's really tight. What I do is I go back, make sure both bolts are extremely tight. So like as tight as you can get them, the better it is. But don't like bend your key, that wouldn't be good. Or strip it. Don't strip it either. So this is pretty tight. So there. That's how you redial your scooter.